Hey hamsters, the word for today's cipher is signer. For S you have dot dot dot. For I you have dot dot. For G you have hyphen hyphen dot. For N you have hyphen dot. For E it's dot. For R it is dot hyphen dot. There you have it. So we'll take the prize of 1 million coins, which will be added automatically to the balance I have on ground. So I'm having network issues. Please bear with me. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment as I bring you updates. Watch out for my subsequent videos as I'll be telling you more about the Hamster Combat airdrop, which is likely to come up shortly. Thank you. Bye.